existence of an imaginary terrorist camp in Punjab, Pakistan categorically denies any intention or action that will endanger civilian populations in Indian Punjab. Unlike the divisive policies of the Indian leadership, Pakistan remains firmly committed to safeguarding innocent lives and regional harmony. को उसका मुकाबला किया और 5 को several armed Indian drones also violated Pakistan airspace by crossing over the international border at multiple places, targeted civilians, martyring 1 and injuring 4, and made attempts to attack military installations, injuring 4 army personnel. One of these drones also struck the Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium, venue for the ongoing Pakistan Cricket Super League, in deliberate attempt to target domestic and foreign cricket players. कि ये या तो हज़ीमत को छुपाने के लिए जो इनके 5 In view of this grave and unlawful aggression of firing projectiles, most probably missiles, inside its territory and violating its airspace, Pakistan reserves the right to respond to India at a time, place and manner of its choosing. Independent, transparent, neutral, international investigation हो जाए. आज एक political based and motivated statement इशू की कि कल रात पाकिस्तान ने मुख्तलिफ इंडियन मिलिट्री इंस्टॉलेशन और मिलिट्री जगह के ऊपर अटैक किया. इट्स अ बिग लाई.
ये 4 प्रोजेक्टाइल फायर हुए. एज यू कैन सी 3 जो प्रोजेक्टाइल हैं कि जब पाकिस्तान अपनी टाइम, प्लेस और अपने मीन से चूजिंग के साथ जब हमला करेगा, अगर वो हम जब व्हेन पाकिस्तान विल स्ट्राइक, तो हमें और आपको इंडिया के मीडिया की जरूरत नहीं उसे बताने की. द होल वर्ल्ड विल कम टू नो. इट्स रेवरवेशंस विल बी फेल्ट एवरीवेयर. समझने का मतलब ये है, द पॉइंट टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर इज कि ये जो ड्रोन्स हैं ये 29 सो फार ड्रोन्स हैव बीन न्यूट्रलाइज्ड. सो मैंने आपको 25 बताए थे, अनदर 4, 29. ओनली 1 मैनेज्ड टू पार्शली एंगेज इट्स टारगेट जिसके लिए आया था ये, और उसमें थोड़ा सा इक्विपमेंट डैमेज हुआ है, और 4 हमारे फौजी जो भाई हैं वो उसमें ज़ख्मी हैं. ड्रोन्स हार्पी और हेरोन के ये ड्रोन जो इसराइली ड्रोन्स हैं कि 6 और 7 की रात को ये मलबा उन्होंने खुद उठाया था. इस बार मलबा जमा करते फिर रहे हैं. तो 7-8 को ये आज जो ये जहाज, ये दिस इज abhorrent, unacceptable.
I welcome you to this briefing by Foreign Secretary Shri Vikram Misri on the ongoing developments.
Pakistan attempted to engage a number of military targets in northern and western India using drones and missiles. These places included Avantipura, Srinagar, Jammu, Pathankot, Amritsar, Kapurthala, Nal, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Adampur, Bhatinda, Chandigarh, Falodi, Uttarlai and Bhuj. These were neutralized by the integrated counter unmanned aerial system and other air defense systems. The debris of these attacks is now being recovered from a number of locations that prove the Pakistani attacks. Today morning, Indian Armed Forces targeted air defense radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan. Indian response has been in the same domain with the same intensity as Pakistan. It has been reliably learnt that an air defense system at Lahore has been neutralized. Pakistan has increased the intensity of its unprovoked firing across the line of control using mortar and heavy calibre artilleries in areas in Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri, Poonch, Mendhar and Rajouri sectors in Jammu and Kashmir. 16 innocent lives have been lost, including 3 women and 5 children, due to the Pakistani firing. Here too, India was compelled to respond to bring mortar and artillery fire from Pakistan to a halt. Indian Armed Forces reiterate their commitment to non-escalation, provided it is respected by the Pakistan military.
In all of this, I think the experience has not been positive, and it certainly doesn't give us the confidence now to take at face value Pakistani assertions of wishing to participate in a joint investigation. These are just delaying tactics, these are just stonewalling tactics. The allegations to the targeting of a dam, the Neelam Jhelum project in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. I want to say that this is an absolute and complete fabrication and a blatant lie. India has targeted only and only terrorist infrastructure, and the details of that, that terrorist infrastructure, together with the locations, were shared with you yesterday by Colonel Qureshi and Wing Commander Singh. I should note that if this kind of a claim is a pretext for targeting Indian infrastructure of a similar nature, Pakistan will be entirely responsible for the consequences that will undoubtedly follow.